The Spider and the Bird. There was once a very big spider. If a bug got into his web, he would examine it. However, he did not eat the bug right away. He asked the bug a question first. It was always a quite difficult puzzle. If the bug's answer was correct, he let it go. If not, he ate it. One day, a small bird on a journey flew into the spider's web. The spider could not imagine eating a bird. It was so big, but his hunger was too great. He said to the bird, "If you cannot give me a specific answer, I will eat you." The bird laughed. "I could eat you." But the bird was actually scared. She had used all the energy trying to get out of the web. And the spider's bite can be very effective in killing animals. "Please don't eat me," the bird said. "I would rather make a deal with you." Okay, the spider said. "If your answer is right, I will let you go. If not, you must give me a gift. It must be something of great value." The bird said, "You can pick anything you want to eat. I will find it for you." The spider agreed. "Where can you take a trip to the coast, the desert, and the mountain at the same time?" The spider's question. The bird asked, "Does this place have a earthquake?" But the spider didn't say anything. "I can see those places when I fly." "Is the sky the right answer?" "False," said the spider. "The answer is Hawaii." "No, you must find some bugs for me." The spiders climbed on the bird back. They flew and ate bugs together. They took a tour of the terrace. The bird took the spider home. From that day on, they were friends, and they never tried to eat each other again. The end. Thank you.